Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the NestJs. Today we are going to learn how to log in AWS Cognito with the help of email and the password. So let's have a look how we're going to do that. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the code for the login. The rest of the part we have discussed in the previous two videos. Okay, so let's go with the login part. So we have to go with the controller where we have the login function. So this is the login. We are accepting the name and the password. Okay, so it should be a string, whether it should be email and the password. You can go authenticate user, so string and the password. So here we have the username, name and the password we are getting in. Here we have the function that will do, that's authenticate user of the Cognito, and pass the authentication details over here, which we have this one, authentication details, that is username and the password. Pass it over here and you will get the result, then result, else reject the error. Okay, so let's go and check via postman is it working or not. So here we go with this one, postman. So the route is basically which one, this is auth login. So let me add the copy this one login and go with this one where we have the login. So here we have the auth login. So let me revert this one, this is a password, I guess last time here password. Okay, my password is this one, right, in the previous page. So let's try to log in with this email and the password. So here we go with the click. Username and the pool information are required. Bad request. So email, uh, username and the pool information are required. Why? Let me check this one. So I think here we go with it's accepting, I think the name where it is. Okay, so here we go with it's accept the name. Okay, so it's not email, it's name. So we have to go with the name here, right? So let's see. Otherwise we can change it accordingly. Here you can see that. So we have received the JWT token. Okay, the payload in each and everything. Okay, the AWS, this is the refresh token that is coming from the SS token of the JWT. Each and everything that you required for the login, you can use the JWT or token and use it anywhere. Okay, so this is the login criteria with the credentials which you have created previously for creating the user. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. In the next video, what we are going to do, we are going to do the change password functionality, delete user from the Cognito. This too, because sometimes I want to delete my account, I don't want to use that one, so that part is also coming. Change password, forget password is also there. So we need to use those feature also. So in the next video we are going to learn this one also. Thank you so much. Have a great day.